Welcome to our video on the unique Grumman X-29A aircraft with a forward swept wing. This aircraft is one of the most unique aircraft ever created in aviation history. Its main feature is the unique shape of the wing, known as the forward swept wing. Let's take a closer look at this groundbreaking aircraft. The forward swept wing is a wing where the leading edge is closer to the end of the wing than the trailing edge. This wing shape provides better maneuverability and stability at high speeds. The Grumman X-29A aircraft was created in 1984 to test technologies related to the forward swept wing. It was equipped with a General Electric F404 engine, which provided a speed of up to 1,875 km per hour. In addition, the aircraft had high maneuverability, allowing it to perform tight turns and fly from one angle of attack to another without losing speed. One of the main advantages of the forward swept wing is that it allows for an increase in lift coefficient and a decrease in frontal resistance during flight. This makes the aircraft more efficient during high-speed flight. In addition, the forward swept wing provides higher stability and predictability during maneuvers. However, the X-29A program is considered a failure in the US due to some of the drawbacks of the forward swept wing design. For example, it can lead to reduced stability at low speeds and worsen controllability during landing. Additionally, the forward swept wing design requires more careful design and manufacturing than traditional wings. To address these issues, Grumman built a second aircraft with a flat engine nozzle and an adjustable pitch vector by 1989. The control system for the adjustable pitch vector was combined with a general flight control and stability maintenance system. The X-29A had the following technical specifications according to NASA. Crew, 1 pilot. Payload, 1,810 kilograms. Length, 14.7 meters. Wingspan, 8.29 meters. Height, 4.26 meters. Wing area, 17.54 square meters. Empty weight, 6,260 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 8,070 kilograms. Engines, 1 General Electric F404 turbofan engine, producing 7,250 kgf thrust. Max speed, Mach 1.8, 2,203 km per hour. Range, 560 kilometers. Service ceiling, 16,800 meters. While the X-29A program may have had its drawbacks, it was still an important and groundbreaking step in aviation history. The unique design of the forward swept wing opened up new possibilities for aircraft design and pushed the boundaries of what was possible in the air. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible aircraft. Thanks for watching.